Hello dear children, good morning. Today you are going to learn hard words, fill in the blanks, match the following of your sixth lesson, the coastal plains and the islands. Children, all of you open your worksheets, open lesson 6, the coastal plains and the islands. See the hard words. Gulf, Gulf, Gulf. Gulf means a portion of an ocean or sea enclosed on three sides by coast. Gulf means a portion, Portion, a portion of an ocean, Ocean, ocean or sea, Sea, enclosed, Enclosed, enclosed on three sides by coast. Gulf means a portion of an ocean or sea enclosed on three sides by coast. Second one, indented. Indented means tooth-like notches. Indented. Indented means tooth. Tooth, tooth like notches. Notches, notches. Next one, port. Port. Port means a town established at the sea coast where ship load or unload goods. Port means a town established, Established, a town established at the sea coast where ship load, load or unload, unload goods, goods. Fourth one, monsoon, monsoon means rain-bearing winds influencing the Indian subcontinent. Rain-bearing, rain-bearing winds, winds influencing, influencing the Indian subcontinent. Fifth one is coral, Coral means the hard and differently colored skeletons of certain marine animals. The hard and differently, differently, the hard and differently colored, colored skeletons, skeletons of certain marine, marine animals. Sixth one, peninsula, Peninsula, peninsula means a piece of land surrounded by water and is attached to a larger land area. A piece of land surrounded, surrounded by water and is attached, attached to a larger land area. Seventh one, navigation, Navigation. Navigation means the process of finding a route accurately. The process, process of finding, finding a route, route accurately, accurately. Eighth one, lagoon, lagoon. Lagoon means a saltwater lake separated from the open sea by rocks or sand. A saltwater lake separated from the open sea by rocks or sand is called as lagoon. Next, come to fill in the blanks, children. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the biggest commercial port of India. So, which is the biggest commercial port of India? Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Okay. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is the biggest commercial port of India. Next one. Dash is the meeting point of coastal plains in India. So which is the meeting point of coastal plains of India, children? C. Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is the meeting point of coastal plains in India. Third one. The Dash and Dash are the largest and second largest islands of Lakshadweep. The Androth and Minicoy are the largest and second largest islands of Lakshadweep. Fourth one, the western coastal plains is narrow, rocky and dash in nature. The western coastal plains is narrow, rocky and rugged, rugged, rugged in nature. Fifth one, Dash and Dash are the capital cities of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands respectively. Port Blair and Kavaratti are the capital cities of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands respectively. Next, see, match the following. See the first one. Khandla Port. Khandla Port means it is in Gujarat. So option C is the correct one. Second one, winter rainfall. Winter rainfall means southern part of eastern coastal plains have winter rainfalls. So option D is the correct one. Third one is eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains have alluvium. Okay. Fourth one, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands have barren islands. Fifth one, Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands have coral deposits. So, these are the match the following. Now, next come to short answers. See the first one. Where is the biggest commercial port of India located? So, where is the biggest commercial port of India located, children? Biggest commercial port of India is located. Which is the biggest commercial port of India located? Jawaharlal Nehru Port is the biggest commercial port of India. Second one. At which point the western and eastern coastal plains meet? The western and eastern coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. Third question. Where does the Andaman Island and Nicobar Island separated? The Andaman Island and Nicobar Island separated by 10-degree channel. Now see long answers. See the first one, children. Differentiate between western and eastern coastal plains. Western coastal plains. The western coastal plains extend from the Gujarat coast to the Kerala coast. These plains lie between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. These plains are divided into three parts: Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, Malabar coast. These coastal plains are narrow, rocky and rugged in nature. These plains experience a hot and humid climate throughout the year. Next one, eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains extend from the West Bengal coast to the Tamil Nadu coast. These plains lie between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. These plains are divided into two parts: Northern Circus, Coromandel coast. These plains are broader than the western coastal plains, and the northern part of these plains receive monsoon rains while the southern part receive rainfall during the winter season. Second question. What is an island? Write a short note on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. See the answer, children. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. There are two main island groups in India: the Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal, the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Andaman and Nicobar Island have been divided into two groups: the northern group called the Andaman Islands, the southern group called the Nicobar Islands. These two islands are separated by 10-degree channel. The climate is warm but pleasant in these islands. So this is all about the island and a short notes on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So children, all of you go through these hard words, fill in the blanks, match the following short answers and long answers, and prepare well for your exams, children. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank